Next, let's talk about Redshift. Amazon Redshift is a data warehouse service. Data warehouse is a large centralized repository of data that is used to support the business intelligence activities such as reporting, analysis, and decision making. It is designed to handle large volume of data from various sources and organize it in a way that it is optimized for querying and analysis. Redshift is a fast, fully managed, petabyte scale data warehouse service that makes it simple and cost effective to analyze all of your data using your existing business intelligence tools. It provides a massively parallel processing architecture that enables you to scale compute and storage independently for flexible pricing options and to accommodate the changing workloads. Redshift supports data loading from various sources including S3, DynamoDB, and Amazon RDS. It also integrates with other AWS services like Amazon EMR and Amazon QuickSight for data processing and visualization. It is a cost-effective service that allows you to pay only for amount of data stored and the number of compute nodes used. And you can start with a smaller cluster and scale up as needed. There are various key functions of Amazon Redshift. Columnar storage. Redshift uses the columnar storage, which store data in a highly compressed and optimized format to improve the query performance and reduce the storage cost. Automatic compression. Redshift automatically compresses the data based on the column data type and the encoding scheme, reducing the amount of storage needed and improving the query performance. Data encryption. Redshift provides end-to-end data encryption, including data at rest and in transit. Workload management. Redshift provides the workload management features such as query the queues and concurrency scaling to manage the large and complex workload and improve the performance. Data partitioning. Redshift automatically partitions the data based on the sort case, which improves the query performance by reducing the amount of data scanned. Backup and recovery. Redshift provides automated backup and point in time recovery to protect against data loss and corruption.